everybody, welcome to my channel. I was sick for a few days, so I'm sorry you couldn't see a lot of my videos, but it's okay. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get going. We're going to draw Sonic's face first, because that's actually the most easiest part. So first we're just going to draw one eye socket, if you like. So we're just gonna draw this. Oops, a hole. Then we put a smart curve on this side and a bigger curve on this side. Then a highlight on the. We're gonna color it in with this marker, but let's get back to drawing. Now we're gonna draw his eyes and some highlights. Alright, now we're gonna draw his face. Now a little cute smile. That's so cute. And we're going to draw these. Is it nice? Is it good? Alright, so now we're going to draw his ears. One ear, and a curve below, then another ear. And the curved thing is going all on that side. So they're both going, so the ears are looking in different directions. That's why we're not drawing the curved thing. Right. Now we're going to draw his body. So we're done drawing Sonic now. Now we're gonna outline it. So we're gonna get my black marker and let's begin to outline. Little cheek line. That's so cute. And we can make another cheek line. That's so cute. We're already done. Now here's my favorite part, the coloring part. We're just gonna do a quick shading with the pencil because these parts over here are gray. Those are the shadings. Now let's get to coloring. First, we're gonna start with the green for the eyes. So make sure to stay in the lines. It's even okay if you get out of the lines. It's always okay. That was quick. Now we're gonna get to our tan. So those are all the tan parts. Maybe we'll just get all the extra colors off. Time for the red, my favorite color. Now we're gonna get to all the other parts that are blue. There we go, we're all done. So we're gonna color the road. We're done. I mean, look how good this Sonic is. I love it how it looks. See, I hope you have a fantastic day with drawing your Sonic. with me. Yeah, you can color your Sonic whatever you want. You can also color the sun, and you can also color like his buddies, like Amy's and Tails and Knuckles and Rouge the Bat. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!